to leave in 10 minutes.
Meow.
Маленькая киска. Молочка кисику.
Ole hyvä.
First leg of the trip, metro. A small breakfast. So this is our first ever trip by train. We have never taken the train with Sebi before. Last trip by train was I was heavily pregnant when we were traveling in Russia because I didn't want to fly in there. So, see how that goes. Себа, ходишь на поезде кататься? This is our car. Это Себушка лифт. Папа за ручку. Я. Давай ручку. Заходи аккуратно на ступеньки. Поднимайся. Вау, какой большой поезд. Это же поезд. Пока-пока. Вон тетя Нина. Привет. Привет. Ой-ка. Привет.
Теперь на машинку.
Nina is really into yoga, and it was really nice to join her for a practice. I haven't done yoga for a really long time, at least for 3 years since birth of Sebi, and it was really nice to feel the flow again. I think I need to start doing it more often. Sebi has joined us at some point as well and surprised Nina with his skills. He is learning so fast. we need to do yoga with him every day now. I went like for a small walk just by the road from the cottage, look for some mushrooms. That's like the first one to find, just like that. I guess I'm gonna get all the dinner today. So this is our mushrooms for today, just from nearby the road. I just went around the block in this neighborhood. We already showed you a bunch of mushrooms, so I guess we're gonna be frying them today. I got 3 types of mushrooms. I have honestly zero idea what is it in English. I call it подберезовик, подосиновик и белый гриб. We already figured out with Andres that белый гриб, at least in Swedish, is Karl Johan, named after a Swedish king. So good to know. And all the others I have no idea what's in English, but I will put a name if I find out. So now we are washing them, chopping. So this mushroom is interesting because this is подосиновик. It always gets dark on the cut after you slice them. And then we're gonna fry them in the oil with the onions and some salt and pepper, and add some potatoes and see if they were all good. So we have just arrived to the Vasa city, and we are picking up some trash with us to the trash place. And this is one of the main sightseeing point in Vasa city. Andres, what is it called?
It's called the Beach Hotel.
Beach Hotel. So guys, enjoy the view of the Beach Hotel in Vasa. This is actually a prison, but the house is really cute, and it has like the best view in the city because it's right by the sea. So local joke, Vasa's Beach Hotel. If you're ever in Vasa, please don't stay there. It's a different angle on the best hotel in town. I think from this side it really looks like a hotel. Like, look at those big beautiful windows, and in general like a very cute look of the building. And this is also quite interesting. Then there is a housing right on the other side with the nice balconies overlooking the sea and the prison. What do you have?
coconut passion fruit ice cream. It's just one single scoop. It's insanely big.
So this is how the size are in Vasa. Everything is bigger in Vasa. Even the ice cream scoops are bigger. Sebi is missing out. Sebi is sleeping in a car while parents are enjoying ice cream without him. It's a huge playground. The best thing about having the children is that you can go to the playground with them and pretend it's for them, not for you. Enjoying so much the space. A show prepared for you by Galina and Sebastian.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love.
The best playground in Finland.
Crazy for love.
Sebi's in the zone.
Whenever lost, whenever down, you know what to do. There's no mountain I won't climb to be right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love. Crazy for love. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me. I found a miracle, I found the dream. Living is beautiful with you and me.
Very cool. Our favorite evening entertainment was just watching sunset, drinking tea and chatting. Really the best time. Thank you so much, Nina and Anders. Thank you, Vasa. It was really lovely. Time to go home.